It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the week in accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. And let's plunge straight into the headlines. This week, we join Birmingham City Council's continued struggles to roll out a new financial system. So in 2022, the authority went live with its Oracle Fusion Cloud system, intended to replace its SAP system that had been in place for about a decade. Unfortunately, officers at the council decided that instead of adapting their own processes to fit the system requirements, they wanted to customize it, going against a plan that had already been agreed, resulting in what one whistleblower called financial chaos. I think the project was due to cost 20 million, and in the end, I think is going to end up costing more than 100 million. So it's a cautionary tale around digital transformation. Details around this story, and there are plenty of them, and everything else in this video can be found in the description. What's next? An interesting one for Xero users. I covered their change in pricing plans a little while back, but they've since come out with an updated approach to migration to these new subscription plans. So those whose subscription plan includes the same or more features for the same or lower price, you'll move in February 2025 instead of September this year. And those that will see a price increase will move in September 2025. Speaking of Xero, their former UK CEO, Gary Turner, has been appointed to the board of directors for fast-growing Bridgend firm Mazuma. Gary will bring his knowledge from the software industry to help the firm grow. And Gary and one of the firm's co-founders, Lucy Cohen, friend of the show, joined our podcast this week to talk about the appointment and Mazuma's growth plans. Sadly, I wasn't able to be around, but somehow they seem to have managed to get on absolutely fine. So you can get that by searching for Accounting Web wherever you get your podcasts. And crypto king Dion Seymour and his fellow hodler Ben Lee from Anderson in the UK have details of a third round of nudge letters from HMRC to potential owners of crypto assets. Unlike previous nudges that were more educational, should we say, this one needs a response. So if you or your clients are affected, then do check out this story. And let the AI gong ring out. Expert is rolling out customizable AI alerts. This is part of their expert intelligence release. So previously, the platform had experts or standardized alerts based on the client's ledger data or transaction data. So things like detecting duplicate bills, flagging missing bank statement lines. But firms can now use the tools to customize these alerts. So thank you to Will at Expert for filling me in on that. Another quick update from Dext. So this is around the Dext Precision tool, formerly Savvy Analytics. So on your customer health score, you can see which checks are included in the calculation of that client health score with an updated overview page. Lots of details and pictures there if you're a user. Let's move on to some partnership news now. And mid-tier cloud accounting platform Accounts IQ has announced a partnership with Iris. Not sort of natural bedfellows, perhaps, but I can certainly see some synergies between the product, as it were. Both are big in the education sector, and both have taken on some hefty investment recently, which probably means hefty targets as well. So the mighty Steve Brooks covers this on Enterprise Times and points out that the platform does align with Iris, but what's missing from the announcement is how the partnership will be taken to market, any information about the integrations available, etc. It is a fairly familiar tale with these types of partnership announcements, which is why I don't often cover them. Let's go down under now, and MyOb, the Australian accounting platform, which stands for Mind Your Own Business, which I only recently found out. They have partnered with Silverfin, so the cloud post bookkeeping tool, things like sort of accounts production, tax reporting, that type of thing. Silverfin, of course, recently taken over by European cloud giant Visma. And let's finish on a survey. So this is Intuit QuickBooks, a 2024 accounting tech survey. More than 1,000 UK accountants and bookkeepers took part. Some trends here. So accountants and bookkeepers are doubling down on their tech investment. They're planning to increase spend by more than 50% in the next 12 months. Let's sort of dig down into that detail a little bit. So they've earmarked 30,000 on average for accounting technology spend over the next 12 months. I guess as prices are on the rise. Let's look at a couple of other things. Nearly all respondents, 99%, say they've used AI to help clients over the last 12 months. And an interesting one there, recognizing that outsourcing is growing rapidly. And perhaps the most surprising stat was that more than 50% of respondents, or 57% of respondents, were going to invest in blockchain technology over the next 12 months. Well, it hasn't come up at all in event season this year, but if you are planning to install blockchain technology in your firm, then do let me know. And if you'd like to keep up with the fast-moving world of accounting technology, then why not subscribe to my weekly email? Just pop your email address in the box, hit the yellow button, and you'll get your bulletin every Thursday. Taking a 2-week break now for the August holidays, hoping to be back at the beginning of September. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you then. Bye for now.